Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you a simple step-by-step guide on how to mute a chat for 1 week on the WhatsApp app for PC. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by constant notifications, or just want a little break from a busy group chat, this feature is a quick way to manage your notifications without leaving or blocking the chat. Let's dive right into it. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and connected, so your chats are visible on the left-hand side of the screen. Once your chats are loaded, scroll through the list and locate the conversation you'd like to mute. It could be an individual contact or a group chat. This option works for both. After finding the chat, move your mouse pointer over it and right-click. This will bring up a small menu with different options you can choose from. From this list, select the option that says Mute. Once you click on Mute, you'll be given several duration options for muting. These usually include 8 hours, 1 week, and sometimes longer options depending on updates. For this tutorial, choose the 1 week option. That's it. You have now successfully muted the chat for 1 week. During this time, new messages will continue to arrive, but your computer won't send you notifications about them. This allows you to check the chat in your own time, without the constant interruption of alerts popping up on your screen. What makes this feature especially useful is that it doesn't block the chat or affect your participation. You still remain in the group or conversation, and you can jump back in whenever you want. It's simply a quiet mode that helps you maintain focus on your tasks while keeping distractions in check. When the week is over, notifications will automatically return to normal. But if you want to unmute the chat earlier, you can follow the same steps. Right-click on the muted chat and select the option to unmute. And that's how easy it is to mute a chat for 1 week on WhatsApp for PC. If you often find yourself juggling multiple conversations, this tool is a great way to manage your notifications and control your focus without missing out entirely.